About 4 o'clock this morning, we had crews respond to the report of a chicken barn fire that's fully involved on 4 Row in Abbotsford here.
And what did crews find when they got here?
They found about a 250-foot to 300-foot chicken barn fully involved, and it's at this point a defensive fire.
And how hard was this to stop?
Well, we're in the midst of a firefight right now, so it's not stopped at this point in time. However, we've got it contained to just the barns, and other exposures are taken care of.
And how many barns are involved?
It's just one large barn in an L shape.
And any idea of the barn's totally going to be destroyed?
At this time, we're in the middle of the firefight. We're not sure the extent of the damage, but we're doing the best we can under the circumstances.
And what's going to happen next?
Well, the crews will be here until all hours of the morning putting this out, and we'll have to bring in investigators after that.